Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. Today, or tonight you should say, we're going to get the caravan ready for our very first trip. So we're both excited and nervous. Obviously we've done a bit of practice in towing, etc. So now this is towing it some distance and actually getting it set up on a site. So I will be doing some videos, etc. Of the site, the setup and sort of too. So we're off to Pickering, North Yorkshire. We found a little farm. I do forget what the name of the farm is, but I will cover it in the next video. It's a hard standing pitch with electric hookup, not fully serviced, but that'll do to start with. We're going to use most of the facilities on board the caravan. It'll be the first time we've actually ourselves got all the water going through the gas, etc. So this is going to be a bit of a learning curve and one of them videos where I'm going through stuff and no doubt I'll make mistakes. Now the first thing is I bought a new hat. So this hat is what I'm going to call my caravan hat. It's a Peaky's Blinders Special. Keep my head warm because we're in winter. So tomorrow, which is Valentine's Day, it is going to get down to -2. So the caravan is sort of guarantees to be comfortable down to -5. So I'm going to bring a little portable heater just in case, but it has obviously got onboard heating, etc. So thank you very much for all your comments and tips and advice in the comment section. It is much appreciated. So we're going to have a bit of a sort of rethink on what we have in the actual caravan. I'm going to take the awning out of the caravan and put it in the back of my car just to make the caravan lighter. So we're going to make it as light as possible for travelling. So that was some of the tips that were coming through on the previous videos. So thank you very much for that. Yeah, so tomorrow we're off on our first jaunt. Hopefully we'll get a few more weekends in leading up to the summer. And then Whit week, we're off to the Norfolk Broads. So a bit of, hopefully we'll have got plenty of practice and experience in driving, towing, etc. So all good, all good. So here we go.